Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indianapolis. It's really important to be able to take notes where you are and then have some audio recording to go with it. Craig Burns from our Clinical Assistive Technology staff is going to show you this cool new thing from LiveScribe.
Hi, I'm Craig with Easter Seals Crossroads, an assistive technology specialist here. Today we're going to show you the latest smart pen from LiveScribe. It's called the LiveScribe 3, and here it is. Previous versions of the LiveScribe pens sync into either desktop software, a version called the Echo pen, or they sync into Evernote on your computer or iOS device or tablet device of any kind. And that's called a Sky pen, Sky Wi-Fi pen. The LiveScribe 3 pen is the newest one, and this version transfers to an iOS device, an iPad or an iPhone. Today, we're going to use the iPad because you can see it better. So I'm going to just show you how this works a little bit. I'm going to take the pen, it's already on. You can see the blue light, maybe. And I'm going to write just a note and record that note. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to say, today is Tuesday. Oops, I got to spell better. And it is much cooler than normal. And then I can stop that message. And it shows up on the iPad. Almost immediate. That's a few second delay, but that's transferring over there. Now, when I go to the iPad, regardless of whether I have my pen or not, I can listen to this. So I turn it on. I'm going to say, today is Tuesday. Oops, I got to spell better. And so you can see that's a good sample of how that would work in the transfer. You can look at all the documents you have by looking at the feed. You can also say, let's swipe this, and it transfers into text. Now my handwriting is pretty sloppy, so it doesn't transfer over in text very well for me. But as I get better at the pen, that will improve. So I can do that with any of these objects. And then I can swipe back or swipe back again, and it goes back to my standard writing. So I've played around with it a little bit. It's kind of interesting. Some people think you're writing on the tablet, but you're not. You're writing in your journal or your notebook, and then it transfers over there. And you can get information off your pen. You can find out what the date is. You can use a calculator, different things on the back, like your other LiveScribe pens work. And that's the LiveScribe 3 pen.
And that's a pretty handy way to take notes in a multimodal feedback that might be useful for all kinds of disabilities. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.